Welcome back to day 45, and let's take a look at the final version of this client project. Let's go. I started off the styling process by getting our logo and the icon of the logo ready to drop into our image folder, and then heading over to React Icons. This is usually where I grab any small icons that I need. It's simple to install and it works great. And then getting the background color set here and straight to the nav bar, getting the super simple nav bar on the right side, also throwing in some hover animations just to get a little fancy. And then next I actually got a book list displaying correctly on the home page, and then onto the form, cleaned up the inputs so they match the rest of our styling so far. After that, over to the view page, made sure everything was displaying and the image wasn't getting cut off, and reorganized the buttons and info sum. Did a test book to make sure everything looked good, and then finally added some icons to signify if the book had been posted to our socials, and that's pretty much done. All right, and that is the client project completely done. The last thing I got to do is deploy it. I'm doing that tomorrow, and then it'll be in the client's hands and they can work out any bugs or anything they might want to be added, but it's done. Version 1 is complete. You know, it was a really awesome process to make something that someone can be using every single day, and to also be in communications with somebody, designing something they want, not actually designing it from my perspective. It was really interesting, and I kind of want to do it again. But really the only thing I wanted to add to the end of the video is I just wanted to say thanks to everybody who's been supporting this series thus far, who's been following me through the progress of this project and watching it from kind of start to kind of finished. It just really means a lot that people are coming along with me on my journey, watching me grow, and also just showing support and being there. And also, if you want to see the final version of this project deployed and kind of get your hands on it and see what it's like, I will be adding it to my LinkedIn profile, so that'll be happening later today. I got to deploy it, a version that doesn't have any client info and stuff like that. But if you're interested, I'll try to link it in this video when it's done. Thank you guys so much for all the support on this series so far. I think for the next project that I'm going to be building in the actual coding series is going to be something AI related, so definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching day 45, the halfway mark of the 90-day goal. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.
Go clap your hands if you like it like